you guys ready?
Oh yeah.
It's time for our apartment tour for this year. I'm so excited to show you everything. Everything turned out very, very cozy.
But before we get started, please, if you like this kind of content, please leave a like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Let's go.
What do we have here, George?
Well, we have a sign that says Merry. Very nice, nice and gold. We have a white tree, white tree, white tree, J and a K to bring it all together. Looks beautiful. And if you guys have been in our previous Vlogmases, you guys know that we always put these little decorations up every year. My Nintendo Switch is even feeling the Christmas spirit. Got red and green colors on it. Got Larry here, chilling, hanging out. Oh, and before we get too deep into the video, if I don't mention where we got all this stuff from, just go back to our home decor haul. All of that information is in that video. All right? All right.
And this is our beautiful tree. I am obsessed with it. I think this is my favorite tree we've done so far. It's very minimal. It's all white. That's why I do my tree first when I'm decorating for Christmas, because it really truly sets the mood and it inspires the rest of the apartment. So I wanted to keep the theme of the tree with white and green, but I still wanted that pop of red, so I thought that was beautiful. Again, every year I just build my cushion collection because it's just, they're way too expensive to get new sets every year. So I think about things that are classic when I'm shopping for things that can be used for years to come. I always add a blanket for a texture change, and we spend so much time on the couches that I feel like they need to be super cozy.
Now here on the counter I put some garland up so it can look nice and pretty with the little Christmas lights. You see a nice house right here and the word joy. Yes. It's to remind everyone to be joyous in the season, duh. And we have a stocking for me, one for Kati, and one for Kaido, because he's a good dog.
Our good boy.
Good doggy. Our winter candle, hence the word winter.
You excited to go candle shopping tomorrow?
Yes, we're gonna go candle shopping tomorrow, guys. This guy just decided to come along and cut his own Christmas tree, you know, because that's what the sign says. He said, oh, I'm gonna cut my own Christmas tree.
Whose idea was this?
My idea. Yes. Now, oh, that's pretty. I didn't see this. Christmas tree. A little Christmas tree with little Oliver, the little birdie, with some love on the side. Come. Ta-da! Now, as if one tree wasn't enough to have in the bedroom, we have two. Dang it. Why? Because it's a whole nother year. Please get a close up. We have the same decorations as last year on these trees, just blue and silver and stuff, but we have in here decorated a little bit of pretty and memorable ornaments here. And since we don't have bedside tables, you guys can see we put our AirPods in the tree too.
Oh my god.
And that's where we're gonna put our cell phones and water bottles too. Our dog bed for Kaido looks like that. We decided to spruce it up a little bit with a Christmas blanket. You see our little centerpiece table right here that goes under the TV. Has two Christmas trees on it. Has a beautiful snow globe in the middle. Trying to cover up the Xfinity Wi-Fi router. Don't look. Cozy winter wishes. Here we go. Again, same thing. Same color scheme. Blue, silver, and all that good stuff. Another special one. Remote control. This ornament fell down right here. Just another AirPods. Perfect. We have this mirror right here. Just depending on who is in front of it, will give you perspective on how beautiful the mirror is.
Oh wow. So now, to give you all the cozy vibes, we're gonna walk you through with all the lights turned off, except for the Christmas trees, of course.